You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 129/4. Let's solve it step by step. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 8 from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 9/2. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals 129/4.